Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my Manny and Me box this month. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So, on this month, we got... I already opened it. Got this little card here. Put these off to the side. Okay, these are always the instructions they give you on how to do this. We also got a gold foil luster. And we got some polishes. We got, ooh, nice. Can't barely see it. We got a terracotta rose. So cute. And we got, ooh, nice. Shangri-La. So we got a little sticker, little palm tree. And here are the plates. So adorable. And let's peel this off because this is so satisfying. Are you ready? Ooh, nice. Let's see the next one. Look at how cute. So adorable. So let's see what we're gonna make today, because I am super excited for this. So I'm gonna start preparing my nails with a base coat. Now I'm gonna add 2 coats of this color, pour the bubbly from Ella and Mayla in the collection Love, because I think it looks well with these 2 colors. I'm going to use the terracotta color here because I have just given up. Get that? And smack it on. Beautiful. It worked. Nice and simple. Now I'm going to do the other color. I mean, the other nail. gonna use this nail. Look at how cute that came out. See, that's more easier. Why complicate my life? I'm just gonna finish the rest of my nails. Super simple. So after all that, I'm gonna finish with the smudge-free top coat. Here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail art, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!